Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In previous video, you learned about what the dog decided to get out of his problem, and for that purpose, the dog made the wolf his master. Then they met a bear. Now, in today's video, you would know about what happened when the dog saw the wolf hiding himself from the bear. So now look into your book. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to this readily and said, "Let's go and find a herd of cows. I'll kill a cow, and then we can both eat our fill." So when the wolf said to dog, Hide yourself, otherwise that bear might eat both of us." So the dog realized that the wolf was not strongest as he was looking for. So he changed his mind, left the wolf, and went to the bear. He told all the matter, then asked him to be his master. The bear agreed to be his master with pleasure and suggested him to search a herd of cows so that he could kill any cow and fill their stomachs. Now come to the 6th paragraph. They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows. But just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were moving loudly and running in a panic in all directions. So after walking a long distance, they noticed a herd of cows, and as they were ready to attack on cows, then suddenly they stopped because of a terrible and frightening sound coming from somewhere else. The cows were making loud sound and running here and there because of fear. Now look into your book. The bear looked out from behind a tree, and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. "Now, why did I have to come here?" said he to the dog. "It's the lion who rules the forest in these parts." "The lion? Who is he?" "Don't you know he is the strongest beast on earth?" "Well, then, I'll say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth." So seeing this situation, the bear peeped out from behind a tree. Then he also started running very quickly and went deeper into the forest. He told the dog that this part of the forest was ruled by the lion, and he is the strongest and the most powerful animal on this earth. We should not have come here." The dog was much surprised to hear this, and immediately he left the bear and went to the lion. Now come to the next paragraph. And off the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. The lion agreed to it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. It was a good life, and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch the dog or offend him in any ways. So when the dog knew that the lion is the most powerful and strongest animal, he went to the lion and requested him to be his master. The lion accepted his request and said, "Okay, I will become your master. You can stay with me." So the dog started living with the lion and served the lion for a long time. He felt very good and enjoyed his life. Now the dog has no complaint and was not afraid of anyone, as he was living with the most powerful animal, that is the lion. That's why no one dare touch the dog or upset him, because he was the servant of the most powerful animal of the forest, and that is the lion. So this is your today's lesson. I hope you have enjoyed it and understood it very well. Thank you very much for watching this video.